We just wanted to ask, bakit po ano yung story behind the name na dadalhin ng team nyo ngayon?
Yeah, as I say, since last year, Pure Blend, we have already the intention of joining PBA because of its products exposure. But we waited for this year, which is the 58th years of PBA, and we wanted to join the circus because of its for exposure and the quality of the PBA players. So we have the right timing to join the PBA this year.
Sir, yung moniker, sir.
Yung name, sir, ng team.
Actually, the monikers previously we have in our product lines are like coffee, juice powder, beauty products. But this year, with the as I say, with the 50 years of PBA, which we feel will be an impact. We want to come in also with an impact products. That's why we introduce our new products, which is the Titan Ultra.
Ano yung Titan ano? Ano yung Titan Ultra?
Titan Ultra is a medicine or ingredients for male sex.
Out in the market na ba yan, sir? Dati na ba yan?
No, this is a new products. I think eventually, very near future na lalabas na. Kaya sinabay na namin dito sa PBA 50th anniversary.
So, hindi naman kayo, wala na, hindi naman kayo nangangamang pa dun sa baka may mga reaksyon ng mga tao dahil nga yung
we are concerned, but actually, we feel at first it should not be on this event, but with the impact of PBA 50 years, who knows? We can be benefited from our new products. The first idea is to use the old products, but it was already in the market. Kilala na eh. So maybe this might be a help for everybody. So yan ang observation namin.
Ano ba yung mga products niya na
We have coffee, we have juice powder, and we have beauty products.